Hello guys, welcome back to DirectDMedia. Time flies so fast. It's already April, new month, new smartphone. Today I would like to review Honor 9X Pro, which is a slight upgrade from its non-pro sibling, the Honor 9X. So let's compare if the upgrade really makes the phone a pro. There's something really fascinating about the Honor 9X Pro. It's the first Honor smartphone without Google Apps, and instead it used Huawei mobile service, which is unsurprising considering it's part of Huawei Honor brand. This is Honor's first step in resolving the Huawei ban that was imposed nearly a year ago, and it is one of our first chance to see how nice Huawei's alternative to the Google Play Store is. The Honor 9X Pro looks like the 2019 Honor 9X, meaning it has an all-screen display with the front-facing camera housed in a small square pop-up frame. There's a 3-lens camera hump in the top left at the back of the phone, but this bump doesn't stick out much, so it's not quite as distracting as some other smartphones with similar design. There is no rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, as was the case on the original Honor 9X phone. Instead, there is a side-mounted scanner located at the right side just below the volume button. Wired headphone fans should rejoice here because the Honor 9X Pro has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming less popular for smartphones. It used a USB Type-C charging port and single firing speaker at the bottom. It comes up with two variant colors, Phantom Purple and Midnight Black. Look at this beauty. Otherwise, the two phones are nearly identical. Like its predecessor, the Honor 9X Pro features a 6.6 inches FHD Plus LCD display with 83.7% screen-to-body ratio and 10x0x2340 pixels resolution. The most notable hardware upgrade for the phone is a new Kirin 810 processor, which is more power efficient. Huawei says the chipset for the 9X Pro features a custom-designed GPU that the company claims will lead to better performance in gaming. The 6GB RAM remain the same as 9X, but the storage is being upgraded into 256GB. The capacity can be extended by using a micro SD card up to 512GB. Moreover, the Honor 9X Pro will ship with EMUI 9.1, which builds on Android 9, not the operating system's current version. The battery of the Honor 9X Pro is 4000 mAh, the same as the 9X, and we were impressed with how reliable and long-lasting that battery life was. So here it is probably the same. Nonetheless, fast charging was missing from that handset, as is it probably here too, so don't expect to quickly top up the power pack. The best Honor 9X had a 48MP main camera attached to it by an ultra-wide 8MP camera and 2MP depth sensors, and it seems that the 9X Pro has exactly the same hardware, right down to the 16MP selfie camera in front. Just because the hardware is the same, it doesn't mean that pictures taken will be the same, because some changes in the software and processings may occur. So let's have some quick comparison. The Honor 9X Pro seems to be a minor, but still decent, step up over his non-pro sibling, and a fine phone to tide us over until the Honor View 30 series launch globally. If you already fall in love with the color of Honor 9X Pro, you can visit any DirectD's outlet near you, or the easiest way, visit our official online store at www.directd.com.ny once it goes on sale later. Don't forget to like, comment and share if you enjoy this video, and appreciate if you can subscribe to DirectDMedia channel and hit that bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Adios.